to build a pottery table using pallets and scrap wood that I have from the old restaurant. So originally I had about 4, 5, 6 pallets, and I took those pallets and I just broke them down. So here's my pile of pallets, and I sorted out the pieces of wood that I'll be using for the build. So all the lumber, these are going to be the legs, that is going to be the side support, and everything else will be the table. Okay, so what I have is braces for the top of the table, and then these, and we'll see how it goes. So I'll have that for one. So I'm going to take the drill and see some holes in it. See how it goes. 3-inch screws. Out. So at this point I want to measure maybe just a foot off the ground for the bottom support. Maybe 6 inches. So here I've already put the brace on. Level it with the lever. So that's how it currently looks. Next step is I'm going to mount the pole here so that I can reuse. So I took the cleats, the pallet cleats, and I chopped them on this side. So now I have one uniform length. There's my lats. I can actually use one piece will take care of two, if that makes sense. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so let's talk about this build. This build, there's no plans for it because I intended to use all the scrap wood I had from the pallets and whatnot. So a lot of stuff I have is just scrap. I save a lot of scrap because I know I'm going to end up using it later on. So this part here is going to open, the lid will open and close, and you'll be able to throw a bucket down like that for your dirt. And then these posts, again, these posts are short because those are from the pallet, so I have to use what I have. Unfortunately, they're too short for me. I am going to make them a little taller because of this. This is an old mirror I had in the restroom that I have to reuse. If I were to put it like this, it's too short for me. So, for me to make it useful, I need to have it at least this high. So, I need to extend this. Okay, so this section is kind of going backward, but I have the mirror here. I clamped it on. Now I'm screwed in because of this piece right here. Okay. I need to secure this piece to this piece. But in order to do that, I'm going to secure to this, and then that. Let's see if it works. So I took these pallets, cut them down to size, and now we're just going to nail them in with some. Now I'm going to nail it in with some of these nails, galvanized nails. So the next thing is to build the lid. I made like a letter H. So I'm going to do this, and then take the lats. I don't know why I keep calling them lats. Put them here. So here's how it finally looks. I have this little crate here that holds the bucket. So here's my work area, and then my tools, and then if we need, move this plant out of the way. If we need, we can open this thing up for some space, or lift this thing up to throw the dirt or whatever stuff in there. But it took a while to build, a lot of cutting and thinking in my head, that is. So hope you like it.